Hey guys, you are watching episode 4 and our final episode of our pricing series, where we show you how to add a promotional code to your campaign. If you haven't already, check out our other pricing episodes and all other tutorials in our support section of the website. Once you arrive on this page, just above your cost summary, within the campaign tool itself, you will see the promo code section. To apply your code, simply paste or type it here and hit apply. You will see your discount applied here. Once your code is added, the new price will also be reflected in the mapping tool should you navigate back to edit an area. Please note that some discounts will be applied to your distribution price only, some off your print price, and some will be applied to both. You can find the specifics in the terms and conditions of the offer you are applying to your campaign. If you are encountering any issues, it's probably linked to the terms and conditions of the voucher, so please get in touch with our services team by calling this number to receive immediate help. Easy as that. This wraps up our pricing tutorial series, but you can find every episode and more tutorial series in our support section of the website. Thanks for watching.